Hey guys, this is Ankita and welcome back to my channel, and if you guys new here, then welcome to my channel. So today's video is gonna be what I got from Plum Goodness. Plum is one of my favorite brand, and Plum Goodness means 100% vegan, cruelty free, paraben free, natural clear beauty products, and they have products for all skin types. So now Plum turns 8, so happy birthday Plum. And in this special occasion they are running a sale from 1st July to 4th July, and this is one of their biggest sale of the year. And during the sale you're gonna get 50% off on all their products and additional 10% discount to use the code BDAY10. You will get a chance to collect free products like a vitamin C toner, moisturizer, and their I Swear by volume mascara. One lucky winner will get iPhone 13 every day, so hurry and stock up your favorite products using the link given in the description. Now let's see what I have received from Plum Goodness. So the first product I have this rice water and niacinamide serum. It has 10% niacinamide on it. It comes in a glass bottle with a pump, and it actively works on blemishes and post acne marks, soothing active acne and regulating sebum production. And the next product I have this Plum Olive and Macadamia Healthy Hydration Shampoo, and this is for dry and damaged hair. This is very gentle, sulfate free and hydrating shampoo, and this is enriched with plant extracted keratin, which makes your hair healthy. Next I have this Plum I Swear by Matte Eyeliner. This is enriched with argan oil, and it comes with a flexible pen tip applicator. This is the liquid liner that gives a deep black matte finish in just one stroke, and it is carefully formulated to be smudge proof, waterproof and quick drying. Last but not the least, their body loving body mist, and guys, this is the vanilla vibes, and I personally like their body loving body mist range, and this fragrance lasts long hours and comes in a very cute travel friendly packaging with a warm vanilla fragrance, and guys, I'm loving it. So just grab those offers and put your hands on some exciting goodies, and let me know what are you getting from their birthday sale. And that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you guys like this video, please give me a big thumbs up, and if you guys new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and guys, follow me on Insta. I'll see you in my next video soon. Till then, tata, bye.